Welcome back to the channel. Since it's been so long since I last made a video, I want to give something away. So if anyone's watching this, you can enter. Let me show you what we got. So we got the Mazda Speed 6 t-shirt. We got a Mazda Speed 6 or Speed 3 Damon short throw shifter, works great. And we got a Taco Bell gift card if you don't have a Speed, so matches the shirt. I'm gonna pick the winner for that when we hit 10,000 subscribers. We're not that far. And we'll do a live stream doing a random comment picker, so stay tuned for that. I'll be getting ripped all the time about not driving the 240, and I deserve it. I haven't drifted this thing since 2020. 2026 now, so freaking 6 years. I did have the Corvette and the 370 that I drifted, so I really stopped caring about this a long time ago. But now that I don't have those and I have a spot to work on this car, I'm pretty fired up about it. So I got the motor out right now. I am getting a different motor that will be here tomorrow. So I'm gonna make a video on that. I'll show that off very soon. But for now, I've had Jack over here doing some fabrication in the engine bay. I can't fabricate, so he's definitely the guy for that. And what he did looks really freaking good. So I'm not just sitting here saying it's gonna get worked on, it's already getting worked on. Let me show you what's going down. Check this out. Clean. First things first, we got a cage kit upper rad support and we got a cage kit lower rad support, and that is because the lower one was bent and super rusty. I actually thought my frame rail was bent. It was bent so bad, but luckily the frame is straight. So there's the cage kit's upper and lower rad support. You can unbolt it, pull it off, so the motor can literally just come straight in, straight out. And you can probably tell we got some tubs going. Jack did all this, by the way, not me. I attempted to do some welding and it went horribly wrong. We also got the firewall holes sealed up, except for the one that'll be for the wiring harness. Before, I just had a bunch of fiberglass tape over every hole, so that is a million times better. I still need to get that transmission out because with the CD09, you're supposed to put in the CD09 clearance kit, and I never did that. So the transmission is the lowest hanging point on the car because it's sitting like this, and it scrapes on everything. So that is the next step that needs to be done. I'm gonna be using the CD09 for the new motor as well. Keeps things nice and simple. That's it for the engine bay. We're gonna be doing a super DIY paint job on it. Anyone will be able to do what we're freaking gonna do to this. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be freaking sick. Quick little interior update. Not much will be changing in here. I am gonna be putting carpet back in because I think it'll tie all the black together and the cage will really stand out. For the rear of the car, one of the things I'm most excited about is I got a radium fuel cell. No more 1989 gas tank that's all rusty and gas sloshes everywhere when I'm drifting. That was always like a big problem. We're gonna have a full-blown fuel cell in this thing. That's the update on the 240. We're working on it. It's gonna get done sooner than later. Like I said, the new motor comes tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. The only hint that I will give you is it's relatable to a Speed 6. Anyway, I'll give you a little garage tour. I only have a couple cars in here. I'm just so thankful to have a place to work on cars again and make videos. So let me show you what we got going on in here. Little garage tour. We got the LS from the 240. That'll be going in something. We got my sister's Supra. We got my sister's S15. We got this thing, which I don't need to explain. And then we got another S15. Sorry, everything's covered up. It's because all the fab work, but this S15 is mine and it's a Spec R. It does have a little rust, which is exactly what I wanted because I wanted to wide body it. I'm gonna do a whole video about this thing. I have tons of parts for it and we will get ripping on that here soon after the 240, obviously. And then we got the FRS. That's gonna be a big project, probably this winter. I don't know, maybe we'll get to it sooner. So you probably didn't see a Speed 6 in here and I will address that in a later video. But I have a lot of Speed 6 parts. I'm gonna be doing a lot of Speed 6 giveaways. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And don't forget to enter to win the freaking Taco Bell gift card, the short throw shifter, and the t-shirt. I have every size available. So thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it if you came back and watched. Make sure you enter that giveaway, 10,000 subs. We're giving that away, and have a great day.